So here's a 2019 Equinox hood. Of course, it's been repainted and cleared and polished and bodywork. And it was full of dents, so whoever keyed it, repair it. But I was able to get in, out, and I was able to get in there and get most of the dent. It doesn't sound like metal, but yeah, it was filled in hair, very little filler, because we're not doing the adjacent panels. But the color is really good anyway. And the rest of the car is already detailed and sealed, so this should match up. So yeah, it's a 2019 Equinox with the shine. I'm super happy with the collection. Is pretty sweet. It's kind of hard to tell. So yeah, I'll call the customer. He can come and